deltoids are a group of muscles comprising the front, middle, and rear portions of your shoulders. While many common shoulder exercises target the front and middle delts, the rear delts are often ignored. Failing to target this portion of your shoulder can leave you with a disproportionate appearance, whereby one part of your shoulder is bigger or more developed than another. To correct this imbalance and grow your rear delts, you'll need to make certain changes to get the right results. In today's video, we'll be showing you 7 steps to help you grow your rear delts faster. Stay tuned and enjoy. Number 1. Ensure you're in a calorie surplus. When you're working on developing your rear delts, you need to create the right conditions for your muscles to grow very well. To do that, you'll need to be in a calorie surplus. By taking in more calories, you're providing yourself with more energy to build muscles mass and get stronger. Even though your daily diet will largely consist of protein, you should make up for the rest of your calories with carbs and healthy fats. It is important to ensure you're getting a balanced diet to have a good supply of essential nutrients to boost muscle growth, function, and recovery. Number 2. Incorporate the right exercises to target rear delts. Instead of always doing exercises like bench presses, overhead presses, or other common compound exercises that target the front and mid-deltoid, there are a range of other exercises that you need to try. One important exercise to try is the single arm bent over row. For this exercise, you'll need a dumbbell and a bench. Start by placing your left knee and left hand on a bench. Next, extend your right leg slightly behind you while keeping your foot on the floor for support. Then hold a dumbbell in your right hand, with your arm reaching down toward the floor. Bend your right elbow and pull it up and back so that your upper arm aligns with your lower chest. Be sure to squeeze your shoulder blades at the top of this movement, after which you can repeat it on the other side. To get the best results, ensure you go for a full 90-degree bend on your back. Also, keep your knuckles facing forward while your elbow is at a 90-degree angle from your body, as you aim to pull the dumbbell back toward your chest. The next exercise you can try is the standing bent over lateral raise. For this exercise, start by holding a pair of dumbbells while keeping your palms facing each other. Ensure to stand with your feet shoulder width apart while slightly bending your knees and bending forward at the hips. Next, raise your arms up and out, as if you're spreading your wings, until they're parallel to the floor. Then, squeeze your shoulder blades at the top of the movement before lowering the weights to the starting position and repeating the entire movement. You can also engage in this movement by using an inclined bench set up at a 45-degree angle. For this, lie face down on the bench and let the dumbbells hang with your palms facing each other. Then, raise your arms and bring out both dumbbells to your side while squeezing at the top, after which you'll lower the dumbbells back to the starting position. Another variation of this exercise, called the bent over barbell high rows, can be done using the barbell. For this exercise, start by extending your grip on the barbell more than shoulder width apart, while bending at a 90-degree angle so that your back is parallel to the ground. Following this, pull the barbell toward your chest with your elbows at a 90-degree angle from your body. For this exercise, ensure you maintain a neutral spine and tight core, with your chest and hips up while also keeping your shoulder blades pulled back. Another exercise to add to your routine is the cable machine high pulls with ropes. To do this exercise, you'll need a cable machine with a double-handed rope attachment. Start by standing with your feet hip width apart while facing the cable machine. Adjust the cable attachment so that it is high enough to be right in front of your face, and then attach the rope handle to it. Pull the ropes toward your face while ensuring that your elbows are at a 90-degree angle from your body. Slowly return to the starting position and repeat for a number of reps. For this exercise, keep your head up, looking straight ahead, and avoid arching your back. Make sure you're pulling back with your elbows instead of your hands to effectively target your rear delts. If you use a gym with a rear deltoid machine, it's another good option to help you target those rear delts. For this exercise, sit on the machine facing the pad. Adjust the seat height so that the handles in front of you are level with your shoulders. While holding the handles, press your arms back, keeping them straight or slightly bent. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and hold for about 2 seconds before returning to the starting position. Keep your chest against the pad and avoid arching your back. Number 3. Use the mind-muscle connection. When doing your rear deltoid exercises, using the mind-muscle connection can help you target the rear delts effectively. This training principle involves concentrating on muscle contraction and stretching when working out. It can boost activation of the rear delts through intentional focus. Visualize your rear delts and keep your attention there while lifting the dumbbells or barbell with your elbows instead of your hands. Consciously targeting your rear delts will prevent larger muscles from taking over, ensuring the targeted muscles get the proper effect. Number 4. Apply progressive overload. To build your rear delts, apply progressive overload. Instead of sticking to the same weights every time you hit the gym, gradually increase the weights you lift for your rear delt exercises over time. As you become more comfortable with a particular weight, consider increasing it to keep the exercise challenging and promote muscle growth. Number 5. Alternate your routine periodically. In addition to applying the progressive overload, switch up or alternate exercises in your routine after a few weeks. Doing the same exercises over time can lead to a plateau. Change your routine every 6 to 7 weeks by introducing new exercises or variations to challenge your muscles differently. For example, if you're doing the single arm bent over row for the first 7 weeks, switch to lifting heavier weights or using the rear deltoid machine for the next 7 weeks. This will help boost muscle growth and prevent stagnation, and you can avoid those plateaus that are so dreaded. Number 6. Rest. Rest is a crucial part of your daily routine. Failing to rest adequately can affect your results. Take breaks and stick to your rest days to avoid burnout or injuries. Proper muscle repair and recovery require rest, so ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep daily. Remember, overtraining can lead to diminishing returns and potentially cause long-term damage. Listening to your body and allowing it to recover is essential for sustained progress. Number 7. Consistency. To get the best results, stay consistent in putting in the work and doing all the right things. If you're eating healthy foods one week and not the next, or skipping workout days, you'll delay your progress. To achieve your goal of building well-rounded delts faster, be in a calorie surplus, incorporate the right rear delt exercises, establish a mind-muscle connection, apply progressive overload, rest well, and stay consistent. Track your workouts and nutrition to ensure you stay on the right path. Regularly reassess your progress and adjust your routine as needed to maintain your momentum. Building well-rounded rear delts requires a combination of the right exercises, mindful techniques, and strategic planning. Incorporate cable machine high pulls, utilize the rear deltoid machine, and apply the mind-muscle connection for effective targeting. Remember to progressively overload your muscles. Alternate your routine periodically to avoid plateaus and prioritize rest and recovery. Consistency is key, so stay dedicated to your nutrition and exercise regimen, tracking your progress and making adjustments as needed. By following these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals and developing strong, defined rear delts. Which shoulder exercises are currently part of your daily routine? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you're looking for tips on building muscle growth, check out 11 Foods to Speed Up Muscle Growth.